Alright, so we got a 09 Z06. Looks to be mostly stock. It's got a Vera ram. And stock manifolds. What are you guessing? 472. Oh, 465. Not happy.
Smoking like a
Definitely not happy.
air cooled not that great. It's 10.
Yeah, it's insane. It's very fat.
You can tell the black smoke
Yeah,
is shooting out the back of the car.
Explains why it was smoking so much.
I think it's just pissing black smoke out.
So calm. What are you doing to this one?
Probably some sort of variation of S-cam.
Yeah.
Didn't do the sheet just yet.
Trying to figure out why it was so stinky on the dyno.
I'll pull the plugs. Well, that's the first thing I do anyway, but let's see what the plugs are looking like. I'm just getting over, I'm just taking it all in here.
Yeah.
This is the first I've seen for a Veraram. If you look on our airlines here, it's the same connection.
Interesting.
Never seen that.
Nice, dude. Quick connect. That's sick.
For me, just needed a quick swap. So yeah, this thing's got 103,000 miles on it. Not much left to say right now until I pull some of these plug out.
Seems a little dirty.
Yeah, a little would definitely be not the word I would say.
No. Should we use a different descriptive word, or? What are descriptive words? Adjectives? Is that right?
Right, Garrett. You hung on to that. Do you know what a noun is?
I couldn't tell you what the
Jesus fucking Christ. What about a verb?
No, I didn't. Dude,
God.
I never paid attention to nouns and
Yeah,
verbs.
no fucking shit. A noun is a person, place, or thing.
Okay.
A verb is an action.
Gotcha.
Glad we got that cleared up from 6th grade.
Yeah, I slept for most of 6th grade.
Looking like you slept through most of your life.
I had to do the summer packet almost every year in middle school.
That makes sense. I can see that.
Guess a lot of parts in this car needed a good scrub.
Yeah. It looks so dirty. It looks like the front seat was leaking anyway, so probably what most of this is. So you can tell. Still wasn't that great with his oil change, just how dark it is in there.
Dude.
You got some puffs under there?
Oh, he's putting the header in. Got some cooks.
Frickety freak freak.
Cooking with cooks.
Interesting.
Yeah. You ever heard that before?
What? Cooking with cooks?
Yeah.
Nah.
That should be their.
That's weird.
That should be their slogan.
These mofos always slip right in. Normally, cup stones slip right in like butter. Apparently not the 2-inch ones. Gonna do it old school, Garrett. Gonna do it old school. Least favorite way of putting in headers on these cars.
How's that?
The way Eric does it.
To the bottom?
Well, the way you have to do it if you don't have the heads off. I just like slipping them out through the top. I have the heads off. So to disconnect the oil lines, and you have to tweak the subframe down. It's fun. It looks like we're going to have to go that route.
What mufflers are these?
borderline attacks.
They like crisscross over. That's weird. I've never seen these things.
Ever seen a borderline attack on a C6?
Nope.
Now you have.
Nice and easy.
Now I have a newfound appreciation for these cook systems, I must say. That's all I'm going to say about that.
Every time I hear someone say that, that's all I have to say about that. I think it
all I have to say about that.
I think of a Forrest Gump scene.
And that's all I have to say about that.
Well, that's all I have to say about that. Homeboy decided to do something about his intake situation. That's why I'm swapping new shroud over it. I'm taking the VARAM off and putting a tech on it.
Oh, okay.
To remedy the PCB hookup he had, and he had this giant spacer behind the throttle body. So
no, I didn't see that.
Which we would take off. So that means we'd have to cut a new intake tube for the VARAM. So we'd have to order more tube for VARAM. So, and we got these Johns just hanging around now. So I'll bring it to a Paul Tech, save himself, save me that heavy.
All right, 2009 C6Z. It got a full stage 3 and a clutch, I believe. So our head scan package, it's got 2-inch Cooks Cat X pipe, and it has a VARAM already. Super low baseline, 424. I don't know what the deal is with that, but was that actually right? Yeah, I don't know. It shows air fuel was like 10.0 on the baseline pull, but who knows if that was accurate or not. So let's see what she does. There is a lot of miles on this thing. Let me see. 103,000. Almost 104. So I'll repeat it like I always do. These stage 3s pick up about 140 wheel horsepower. First pull picked up exactly 140. So if a lot of people say, oh, dyno reads high or low or whatever, that literally just goes to show you that baseline numbers, that's why we do baselines. Because if we didn't do a baseline on this thing and we, you know, do head cam to it and it makes 570, people are gonna be like, oh, why the hell did it only make 570? That's why. Still a little rich. Exactly the same. It's got some miles on it. Let this thing cool down and make final pull. Everything else looks pretty good, timing and air, fuel, etc. All right, let this thing cool down over lunch. I'm just gonna do final pull. And 509, which is pretty good. That means it picked up 160. So pretty good for whatever, however many miles on this thing, almost 104,000. You know, 584 is not all that great compared to like some of the other ones we do. That some stage 3s will make 620, 630, but they'll also baseline 480. This thing baseline 420. So 160 horsepower gain is killer. He should be happy with this thing. It'll be a whole new car versus what it was. It so shockingly didn't drop a valve yet at 103. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.